Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about hyperbola. So now I will show you how to answer. We have four sides, that is this boy in here, and vertex, that is this boy in here. So if we look carefully about this one, we have negative number 3, negative number 3, and so on in here. That means these boys they are on s equal to negative number 3. So about four side, we have negative number 3 and number 9 we put in here. And this one we put in here. About vertices, we have negative number 3, negative number 4, that should be in here. And this ball should be in here. So if we graph the function, that just be like this. Now we have the formula in here. If we look carefully, these boys they are on s equals to negative number 3. So that means we have the negative sign next to about s. This one you got about positive. Now we go to analyze about foci and vertices. About the point of foci, we have h. Vertex we have h. We have the same value in here because these boys they are on about s equals to negative number 3. So next one we have k and k in here. About foci, that's it about this boy in here. That is about c. About vertex, now this is on the y value, so that should be about b. The next one, we know that h in this situation should be about negative number 3. So we put about h equals to negative number 3 in here. Now let's go to find the value of k. To find the value of k, we see that we have positive and negative c, or positive and negative b. To use this one, we can use about four sides, or maybe about vertex. We use the point in here. We sum two points together. So I will use about four sides in here. I will put about 9 plus negative number 7. We divide by 2. Why we need to divide by 2? Because y in here, that's the about k plus c. This point in here, that's about k minus c. C minus c, they cancel. K plus k, you got about 2k. That's why we need to divide by 2, you got about k. 9 minus 7, you got about number 2. 2 divided by 2 is about 1. So we have k equals to number 1. Now we need to find c and b in here. I will choose about k plus c. K plus c is about positive, so that should be number 9 in here, the highest one. So k equals to number 1, I will put in here. So I will put number 1 go in here. And you got about number 8. Now I will choose about k plus b, the highest one. So that should be about number 6. So I will put number 6 in here, and I will put k go in here. So I will put number 1 on the right. and we have number 5. The next one, we have a square plus b square equal to c square. We need to find the value of a. We know the value of b and c, so we put b is about number 5. A go in here, and now we have a square plus 5 square equals to a square. So we put this one go in here, and we have a square minus 5 square equals to 39. We don't need to find the square root of this one because we need to find a square in here. So a square equal to 39, and b square, that's about 5 in here. 5 square, you got about 25. And now we put all the number go in here. So for this one, negative number 3 with negative in here, you got about positive number 3. A square, you got about 39. K is about number 1. B square, you have 25. And this one is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.